Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 14, that is fractions. Today we will start with exercise 14D. What if you want to watch previous videos also, then you can subscribe my channel and will get all videos of this chapter. So today we will start with question number 2. Question number 1 we have already done, in which we have done the multiplication of fractions, and in this case we will do the division of fractions, right? So how to do? It's very simple. Firstly, simplify the fraction beta. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 6 over 5, right? Now, as we do division in other cases, we don't do same in case of fractions. When we have to do division, then we just change the sign of division into multiplication. But when we change it, we do reciprocal of the fraction also, right? If you have two fractions and you have to divide them, change the sign of division into multiplication and do reciprocal of the fraction, right? So check here whether the numbers can cancel with each other. Do, otherwise just multiply them and divide them. Here 2 and 6 can be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, right? Okay, now 5 ones are 5 over 3 threes are 9. We can write it like this now, or you can write it like this. If you can, you know how to cancel, then you can cancel it here also, beta. That is the required answer. Okay, the next question is, so the second question is 4 whole 1 by 2 divided by 4 over 9. Firstly, we will change the fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 over 2 divided by 4 over 9. And what we will do now? We will change this sign of division into multiplication, yes. And when we will change it into the multiplication, the fraction of this, the reciprocal of this fraction will be done at that time. So we will do reciprocal. 9 will become न्यूमिनेटर एंड 4 बिकम डिनोमिनेटर. इसको उल्टा करके राइट कर देना है बेटा. 4 over 9 को 9 over 4 लिखोगे, राइट? नाउ चेक, कैन बी कैंसिल एनी नंबर? नो, वी कांट ना. सो मल्टीप्लाई इट. 9 9s are 81 over 4 2s are 8. Whether you can write it like this or you can write it into the mixed fraction also by dividing with 8. So next question is question number 3, that is 1 divided by 2 over 5. Actually today I am out of station, that's why I don't have register to write. Okay, what to do? Change it into the multiplication, and when we will change the sign into multiplication, so at that time we will do reciprocal of this fraction. So it becomes 5 over 2. 5 ones are 5 over 2. That is required answer, right beta? So question number 4 is, write it as 4 over 9. Change the sign of division into multiplication and do reciprocal of this fraction. It becomes 9 over 4. 9 will be cancelled with each other and 4 will also be cancelled with each other, and you will get the answer 1. Next is question number 5, that is 2 whole 1 by 3 divided by 1 whole 3 by 4. What will we do in this case? Firstly, change the fractions. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 divided by 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 over 3, right? Now change the sign of multiplication into change the sign of division into multiplication and do reciprocal of this fraction. It becomes 1. I think you have learned that how to do, beta. Can you do next sum? Now you can be confused by watching this sum that it's so difficult seems, right? So I think I should do it for you. Okay, let's start with next sum. Okay, what you do, change the fraction first. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8/3 into 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7/2 divided by 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Right beta? If you want, then you can solve it first, right? It becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now none of the number will be cancelled from these two fractions. Write it as it is. 7 4s are 28/3 divided by 22/9. Now change it into multiplication. Do reciprocal of this fraction. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right? Now 2 11s 22, 2 14s are 28. Now none of the number will be cancelled, so just multiply the numbers. It becomes 42/11. That is the required answer. If you want to solve it combinedly, all the three numbers, you can do it. How you can do it? Will be 8/3, 7/2, change the sign and do reciprocal, 9/22. Right beta? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, right? 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42/11. You can do it also in this way, or if you want to do it like this, you can. Otherwise you can adopt this method also. Thank you beta.